Hello, my loves. Happy January. So, this is my first makeup tutorial of 2020, and I'm loving it. I decided to do a matte makeup tutorial for oily skin, featuring some new drugstore products that I just picked up. And as you guys already know, this is also hooded eye friendly. So, yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then definitely keep watching. Okay, so I did go ahead and do my brows and my lids off camera. I am going to start off with my eyeshadow. So for this look, we are using only 2 eyeshadows, you guys, my favorite. So I will be using the Makeup Revolution palette, and this is the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. So you do want to just build up this color more so in the sort of like middle of the eyelid, crease area, and then we're going to use what's remaining on the brush just to blend up towards the brow. And I am just going to use that concealer just to carve out a little bit of space. Okay, and then right over that concealer, I'm going in with this sort of light cream shade from that same Makeup Revolution palette. And so we're just going to pack that shade over the concealer. And then now I'm going in with that same brown shade as before, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the edges just so that there's a smooth transition. So I like using eyeshadow looks that honestly like widen the eyes and make us just look, you know, a little bit more alert and lively. Then now I am going in with my eyeliner, and this is the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Black. my foundation, I am using my Revlon foundation in the shade Caramel, and this is the number, I believe, 400. And this one is for oily combination skin. So I'm really excited to try it because I have not done a drugstore foundation in probably about 2 years now, I believe. This foundation smells really good. Like, it's very light and fresh, but it smells really good. So I like the finish on this. This is nice. This is really nice. So for my highlights, I am using my e.l.f. 24-hour Camo Concealer. I will say that I really like this wand. I feel like it allows you to cover a lot of area of the face and kind of like just a couple of sweeps. And then for my contour cream, I'm using my Makeup Revolution contour, and this is in the shade C16. If you guys do know of any really good drugstore setting powders, definitely let me know. Finish off this under eye look, I am going back into my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm taking that same brown shade and just applying that under the lower eyelid as well. Sorry guys for all of the weird lighting changes with this video, but I do hope that you enjoyed it, and if you found this video to be helpful in any way, then definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you beauties in my next video. Bye!